Hey everyone, welcome to Cupixel Studio. My name is Haley and today we are going to jump right into this free flow experience. It's summer now, it's a beautiful day, so I thought this is the perfect opportunity to paint this nice beach scene from like a bird's eye view. So we're not going to be using Smart Trace or anything like that today. It's just going to be us and our canvas. So whatever size canvas you have, you can use. For paints, we're gonna have a deep turquoise, cerulean blue, white, and burnt umber. I'm actually not going to use emerald green. Put that to the side. So just these four colors, so any basic brown, basic blue, and even if you have just a green that you can mix with the blue to get turquoise, that works totally fine. And did I say white already? You'll need white paint. So I have my jar of water here for my brushes, paper towels, and for brushes, I'm going to be using a stipple brush. That is going to be my secret weapon today. If you don't have a stipple brush, you can use a flat brush, but I have a large flat brush to get started, a couple medium-sized flat brushes for detail, and smaller flat brushes for extra detail. So you don't need all of them. I probably won't use all of them, but yeah, basically flat brushes and a brush that you can use for stippling. So let's get started. Also, you'll need a paper plate or something to put your paints on. Let's just jump right in. So I'm gonna grab my cerulean blue and my deep turquoise.